If you would like to enable passage mode, you will need to know the master code. For video purposes, we will be using the master code 147147. Start by waking up the touch keypad by swiping across the surface. Press asterisk and pound. Input your master code and then press pound. Press 0 and then press 1. Enter your desired 6 to 10 digit passage code or keycard. You will see a green LED. Now, re-enter your passage code or keycard to enable passage mode. Passage mode has been enabled. To disable passage mode, simply re-enter the passage code, keycard, or master code.